Make a great choice today with the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Harman Kardon sound system, navigation system, traction control, keyless entry, power tailgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.